You're always in my way. That reverse gear.
There you go.
Hey, alright.
Morning.
Alright. Straight, straight. That's it. I thought I should be able to do it.
When you look at it, it's all, oh, that's not as hard as I thought.
You got to go this one, don't you?
You guys will turn the average through. Those old ones. Turn the average. Was it? The last one? I didn't see him. He didn't look at their faces. No.
Mechanical failure.
The last Blake Bart, as he went past,
Yeah.
I just saw the side profile, he looked like him.
Well, we'll look at the GoPro later. I've got him coming
Oh, you
down
got him
the
on?
hill.
Have you got him on it, have you? Just look.
I can't look at it. There's
Oh,
no viewfinder.
He might have thought you were
Please hold this up.
This fucking Simone bike here. I got my front wheel.
Come on, Dickie, get out of the way. Paul was going it.
Right.
No, we got to have a run up. You can't do it from a standstill. Easy, easy.
Get that
Mate.
big fat ass back. Get that ass back.
No sweat. That was so easy with the 29er. Keep going, keep going.
Paul, get that big fat ass back.
Yes. Mate, that kills me.
That was good though, that wasn't it?
Yeah, the hands.
Oh, you got no suspension, have you?
Front, I've got front.
Well, it's sort of suspension.
They got the really special one.
I can't even walk up. Hello. Punchy's down.
You want to see? Yeah.
Get caught in a rut. How'd you manage to come off there?
What?
How'd you manage to come off there?
Clipped in.
Oh,
Come over that hill and then hit the bump. I'll let you go, I'll let you go. Whoa.
keep it going, that's it. Easy peasy.
That was a good.
Ready?
That's good through there, wasn't it? I like that coming down there.
You forget sometimes how good some of those little tracks are coming down.
You did all the lumps and bumps?
I got everywhere except the very last bump, just when the track winds out at the bottom.
Yeah, where we
I put my foot down.
I put the foot down there and went over the other edge. Yeah, where Racing fell off and done his hip.
I put both my hands down.
You put both your hands down. What'd you do?
Testing that shoulder. There's a
Oh, that
scoot.
part? That's where Steve had to, oh no, I had to
And
stand
my
there.
front wheel caught the front of it.
Yeah.
And I was like, shit.
You got to have the speed to
Did you
get
go
out.
to the handlebars?
Oh, he did.
Oh, you're right. You ain't looking on your back, off you.
You stayed on though. You stayed on.
Slow
Your hands in the
motion.
dirt, mate.
Don't lift your head.
Mate, on this bike, you want that little bit higher.
Not a flat.
You're joking, haven't you got a spare part?
Yeah, in the car I've got one.
In the car? There's no in the fucking car, mate. That'd be dead.
Do you not have a spare?
No. Oh my god, it's flat somewhere here too.
Some blokes are much.
I don't know what it is.
Where you fucking home, mate? You fucking man, ain't you?
Nasty.
Oh, no, that's all right. I was going at pace. I came down just down here, and there's nothing really. I'm not sure what I hit. To tell the truth.
The ground. By the looks of it.
You come through that little...
No, I came over the top there where it's sensible to come.
Come just straight down the middle, it should be alright.
Yeah, and so I think that's what got me because I didn't know what I hit.
You come on your shoulder too, did you?
Yeah.
On a roll.
Yeah. Adrian, I had done the
Stevie,
right
you had
one.
done, I told you you had done the right one. That's good. See, it was worth wearing.
So you land on the elbow?
The knees
No, I
copped
went
it.
over
Knees copped
and
it.
ended up sliding into this ditch here with the bike shortly thereafter. So I don't know what I
If
hit.
only I was here.
Yes. See, you got that punched at the wrong time.
Yeah.
Are we creaking? Are we alright?
What's over this next little bump?
The vehicle all right? So you guys go, I'll be right. I'll just get back on slowly.
Watch that guy coming through. Another one.
Another one? You've got knee guards, that's right. Anyone else?
No, only Uggy.
Go with that.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
It doesn't look much.
Hey, buddy.
Go.
That's all. Don't fucking stop. For fuck's sake.
Bank up.
Oh.
I have done it before.
Look at that pit. Fucking hell.
Oh!
You off?
I'm off. But not hurt.
Good. I like it.
Not hurt bad anyway. Not hurt bad.
Man down. You lost me coming over that step. Hey, that should look good on film.
It doesn't look good when you...
With the ground coming up in front of you.
I said I can do it and I couldn't.
Did you go on the
I went
step?
on the step, yeah. Yeah, I went on the step, but wasn't good enough. I wasn't back enough or something.
the thing
I
is-
thought I had the speed to do it.
But next time you'll do it and you'll say, oh, how come I fell last time?